understand the ranges, right? How we represent them. What's the notion of them, right? The basic things you need to understand is like square brackets, circular brackets, and the flower brackets, and then union, right, etc. So these are the, and also belongs to. So we use these type of signs, etc. in representing things. So if you remember the earlier case, we solved inequality. We got x is greater than 1.5. So x, the whole number line we have is minus infinity to infinite. Right, so 1.5 let's say is coming around here. So x is greater than 1.5 is I am accepting everything in this zone. So I can't keep listing, x can be 1.51, 1.52, 1.53 and so on up to infinite, right? So for that reason what we write, we say x belongs to, right, 1.5 to infinite. I'm saying everything in between this zone, that is 1.5 to infinite, that is fine for me. That will satisfy this inequality. If this inequality was like x is greater than or equals to 1.5, that means x can be 1.5 or greater than 1.5. I should write x belongs to square bracket 1.5 to infinite. When it says square bracket, that means this square bracket is on the left side, right? So this value is also accepted. This value is also included. Whereas in this, I am not considering 1.5. 1.5 is not valid. But anything more than 1.5, it's 1.500001, for example, is accepted. But 1.5 is not accepted if it's a circular bracket. When it comes to square bracket, 1.5 is also accepted. And you will never have a square bracket for infinite. Let's say I write an inequality like this. X should be in between 5 to 3. So 3 is less than or equals to x is less than or equals to 5. That means x belongs to square bracket 3 to 5 and again square bracket. Because equals to is on both the sides. So x can be 5 or x can be 3. So I need to have square bracket and in between as well. That's why I'm writing a range of 3 to 5. Right? Let's say x is less than 3 is less than x is greater than or equals to 5. 3 is less than x is less than or equals to 5. So here x can be 5 but x can't be 3. So x belongs to 3 to 5 with a square bracket here. Right? That's the difference of having a square bracket and circular bracket. Be clear with that. Everything in between 3 to 5 fine, with also 5 being accepted but not 3. Here everything between 3 to 5 with both 3 and 5 accepted. If I have expression like 3 is less than x is less than 5, then x belongs to 3 to 5. Everything between 3 to 5 is fine, accepted, but not 3 and 5. Both of them are not accepted. Right? That is a difference of a square and circular. When it comes to flower bracket, right? If x is 3, 5, like let's say I solved a quadratic equation, I got the roots as 3 and 5, then I say x can be written as 3, 5. That is basically saying only 3, only 5. Right? No other thing, nothing in between or anything outside, only 3 and 5. These are two accepted for x. Sometimes you'll get to see things like this. Minus infinity to 2, union 6 to infinite. What do I mean by that? If I draw a number line, 2 comes here, 6 comes here. This is minus infinity and this infinity. X can be anywhere here, no issues with that. And x can be anywhere here, no issues with that, but not here. Right? 2 to 6 is not accepted. So minus infinity to 2, union 6 to infinite is fine. That is meaning that x can be here and r. Basically union means r here. Anywhere here or here is fine for me, but not between 2 to 6. If I write this as minus infinity to 2 square bracket union 6 to infinite, that means minus infinity to 2 with 2 included and 6 to infinity with 6 included as accepted. Here I am not accepting 2 and 6 also. It should be at least less than 2 or greater than 6 to be accepted. Here I accept 2 and 6 also. Again the same thing with that. So this is epsilon belongs to, union is like r, flower bracket, circular bracket and square bracket. Right? Have a clear understanding of these things so that even if you solve the inequality correct, but if you can't mark the correct option, like you get it a wrong one, right?